So my chainsaw, the recoil broke. I was gonna buy a new one, but I also wanted to use it today, so I wasn't gonna wait for it to come online. Oh, I tried to fix it myself. I took it apart and I got the little gear thing off and attached it to a drill. And then I broke a hole here, so I'm gonna try starting it just like that. I thought that was pretty cool. Worth videotaping, so let's give it a go. Yeah, I'll put my foot right on the blade when I start it. Let's see how it is. Alright, here it goes. Wait for it. Come on. Alright.